So if you want to sell product, whether it is physical or digital on your WordPress website, then you can use a plugin like EasyCommerce. So today in this video, we're going to review this plugin EasyCommerce, how it works and how you can install it in your WordPress website. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard and let me click on view site here. And as you can see, I have installed the EasyCommerce on this website and you can see the products. So let me click one of the products here and you can see the product images. So you can switch between product images like this, and here you can select your product, click on add to cart, click on proceed to checkout, and here you can see all the products that are being added to cart. So you can remove some products if you want, and you can add discount as well. And let me click on apply. As you can see, the discount code is applied here, and here you can select your delivery date, and you can choose your payment methods, and you can click on confirm order. So this is how the EasyCommerce checkout process works. So you can see the dashboard, you can see the order info, billing info, and you can see the shipping info and all these discount informations, and user can see the transaction here. They can download their files from here, and this is the dashboard. So they can see the total number of orders, total spend, and all these orders. So you can click on here and see in details, and they can change their profile image and all this information. Now let's go to the backend and let's click on the EasyCommerce. So this is the dashboard of EasyCommerce, where you can see the total number of sales, total order, number of customer, and you can see the abandonment cart and item sold, refund issues. So you can see all these details. So you can see the abandoned cart, you can send remind emails, you can see the orders. So you can click on view, and here you can change this order. So from pending to, let me change it to processing, and you can see all these options, like you can change it to shipped. And this is how this plugin works. So you can manage your products as well. So you can create multiple products. Let me click on edit, and here you can add your product title, description, you can upload your product images, you can select your sizes, you can select your color, and here you can set your pricing, you can add your product description, you can select your templates, and you can change your URL slot. So you can enable reviews. So all these settings are there, and you can set your attributes like size, color, you can create multiple categories, you can add tags, you can add multiple brands. Now let's click on orders, and you can see all these orders that you have received on your store, and you can filter it out, like whether it is processing or complete state. So let me select complete. Now it will show in completed state. Now you can select your abandonment cart and send reminder emails. You can see the transactions here. So the total number of amounts, transaction ID, and the date. And you can select your customer. You can view your customer here. So you can see the customer scenes, total number, total orders, average order values, and see all these orders here. Now let's go to coupon, and you can create your coupons so that you can give discount to your customer. And you can see all the reports, like total number of sales count, sales amount, total number of refund issues, and you can control your settings as well. So you can upload your logo, you can change your business name, business email address, you can click on store, and you can set up your shop page, checkout page, dashboard page. So let's install the plugin and set up all these settings from scratch. And here you can see the payment methods as well. So you can select multiple payments method, you can click on order, and you can set the default order status. So let's install it on a fresh website and start setting up our website. So here is a fresh website, so we need to install the plugin. So let's go to dashboard, and let me install the theme first. So let me go to theme, let me click on add theme. So EasyCommerce is compatible with multiple plugins and themes. So let me scroll down here and let's click on partners, and you can see the partner network like EasyCommerce is compatible with Astra, Blocksy, GeneratePress, Cadence theme, Neep, Storefront, and you can also use it with other theme, but these are most compatible themes, so you can use one of the themes here. So let's install the Cadence theme. So let me search for Cadence and let me install the Cadence theme. Now let's activate it. Now let me close this for now. Let's go to plugin. Let's click on add plugin and let me add Cadence blocks. Let's click on install now. Now you can go to EasyCommerce and here you can download your pre plugins. Just click on get started, enter your name and email address and download the EasyCommerce plugin to your computer. And you can see the pricing plan as well. So the personal plan start with $119 per year. So you can see all these details. So here let's install the free version first. So I have already downloaded the free version. Now let's go to plugin. Let's click on add a plugin. Let's upload that plugin. EasyCommerce. Let's install now. Alright, let's activate the plugin and this is the welcome screen. Now let's click on get started. So you can enter your store name. So let me set my store name and you can set your business type. So let me select clothing and apparels. Let me select a logo and you can select your country. So let me select India here. You can enter your business email address like this. Let's click on next. Now you can create new pages and you can assign all these pages like shop pages, checkout pages and dashboard pages. So let's click on next. Now you can select your currency. So let me select INR, Indian rupee. So you can select your currency and you can select the currency format. So let me select this as my currency format. And here you can set your payment methods. So let me select bank transfer, cash on delivery, and you can see all these payment methods. So let me select PayPal as well. All right, let's click on next. Now you can set your name and email address and let's click on next. Now you can enter your name, email address and API key. So let me click on skip for now. All right, this is the dashboard of EasyCommerce. So let's go to our pages first. And you can see checkout pages, dashboard pages and shop pages are now created. Now let's go to store. Let's click on settings. Let's click on store. And here you can create more pages like customer registration, customer dashboard and customer reset password, terms of services, privacy policy. So let's create each pages. Let's publish the privacy policy for now. Now let's create a customer registration page. And here you can copy the short code and just add the short code block and paste your short code. And here you can set it like full width, content style to unbox like this. Let's select the page and here you can set your permalink. Let's click on publish. Now let's go back. Now let's create a reset password page and let's copy the short code. Similarly, let's create a terms of services. So you need to enter all your terms and conditions here on this page. All right, let me refresh it. Now let's select reset password, customer registrations, terms of services, and let's select the privacy policy page. Okay, all these pages are now properly linked. Let's click on save settings. Now let me go to the front end and you can see all these pages: customer registrations, dashboard. You can see your customer dashboard, privacy policy page, and reset password page. Let's go to the settings and let's create our first product. So let's go to all products, and here you can click on new product, and you can enter your product title, and you can add a product description. By the way, you can use AI to generate your product description. So you can enter your API key and automate your product description or product title generations. Now you can create attributes. So let me click on set new attribute, and here you can select sizes, like you can select all these sizes, and here you can set your pricing. So let me set 1500, and here you can write a detailed product description. Now you can format your description. So let me select it and let me set it as bullet list. Now you can change your slog as well, t-shirt for men, and you can enable reviews. Now let's upload our images and let's click on insert. Now you can select one of your images as thumbnail, and here you can add categories. So let me save this product first. Now you can go to categories and you can create new category. So let me set a category like man, and let me set a category like t-shirt, and let me set the parent category as man, and I can add more categories. Let's say hoodies, and let me set the parent category man. Let's create the categories. Now you can create tags as well. Let's say you want new, like this. You can set brands as well. So let me assign some brand. All right, you can create brands, you can add tags, you can select categories, you can create attributes, like you can set attributes like size, color. So just click on attributes and you can set the type, whether it is a text, image or color. So you can see, let me click on edit, and here you can add different options. Like if you want to add more category, just click on plus, and let's say you want to add purple, and you can select the purple color here like this, and you can update your attributes. So you can see purple, white, red, black. So in this way you can create attributes as well. Now let's go to all product. Let's click on edit, and here you can select the category to t-shirt. You can set the tags to new, select the brand to roadster, like this. Now let's click on save products. Now you can view your product as well. Just click on here, click on view, and this is how your product is live. And you can see the images, you can see the product details, you can assign a review. It will show like this. Now let's test it out. Let's click on add to cart. Let's click on proceed to checkout, and here you can see the payment method. So you need to set it off. So for this, let's go to dashboard. Let's go to store. Let's click on settings. Let's click on payment, and here just click on cash on delivery, and you can set the default status. Click on save settings, and here you can click on PayPal, and you can add your PayPal client ID, secret ID and merchant ID to set up your PayPal. So let me sandbox mode for now. Let's click on save settings, and you can enable bank transfer as well. So you can upload a logo payment method like bank transfer, and you can enable all these payments method. Click on save settings. Here you can see all these payments methods. So you can enter your bank address, you can set as cash on delivery, or you can set PayPal option, and you can fill up all these details. Now let's click on EasyCommerce, and we need to set up our home page and set up our menus. So let's go to dashboard, let's go to pages, and let me click on add page, and let me set it as home page. Let's click on publish. Now let's set up some settings, like set it as full width. Let me disable the page title, set it as on box. Let's disable the vertical spacing, disable the feature image. Alright, now let's click on row layout. So we have installed the cadence block, so you can enable row layout. Let's click on plus, let's click on browse all, and you can see all these options. So let me click on shop standard, and you can see all the sorting options, category option, price range, and you can see all the brands like this. So let me click on save. Now you can design your home page according to your choice. So you can add different categories, you can assign your hero section. So for now, let's set it as home page. So let's go to settings, let's click on reading, and let's set our home page. Let's click on save settings, and this is now set it as home page. So let me edit it. So let's select the row layout. Let me set it as use theme inner content width. Let me set it as full width. Alright, it is now looking good. Now you can filter all your categories. So as you can see, I have already added few of the products on this plugin, and you can see you can filter it out with color, sizes, price range. You can filter it out with your categories. So let me click on t-shirt, and it will show all these t-shirts. Let's say I want to set as hoodies, so you can filter it out hoodies. Let's click on here, and this is how it looks. So you can see the reviews. Now let's click on dashboard, and this is the dashboard. So let me open this in an incognito mode, and as you can see, we need to sign in with email and password. And if you don't have account, then you can click on sign up, and you need to enter your username, email address, password, and create an account. So let's quickly create an account here. Alright, we need to enter the same email address and password. Let's click on sign in. Alright, we have created an account here, and we can change all these settings, like you can change our profile images. Alright, now let's go to shop page, and as a user I can add product to my cart, and I can then go to checkout, and I can increase the number of products, enter all these details, and I can confirm the order. So this is how the EasyCommerce plugin works. And here you can see all these add-ons, like you can set license manager, points and rewards, sliding cart, fluent CRM integration, product recommendation, wish list, checkout editor. You have these your cart migrations and all these payment option, PDF invoicing, delivery date pickoff, MailChimp integrations, and we have the Stripe payment, Square payment integrations. So all these add-ons are there. So you can use add-ons to add additional functionality to your e-commerce store. So let me know if you have any issues regarding this EasyCommerce plugin, and if this is working perfectly fine or not. And if you face any issues, then you can comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And I have included the EasyCommerce link, so you can try it out and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.